You're exhausted, not physically, but mentally. You feel like you're constantly defending yourself from the driver who cut you off, from the coworker who sent that rude email, from the family member who made that comment. It starts to feel like the world is choosing you, targeting you. You don't just notice these, you hold them. After a while, it starts to feel personal, like life isn't just happening around you, it's happening to you. That's a simple mistake your mind makes in moments like this. And once you see it, these collisions get lighter to carry. Let me show you. Imagine you're on a foggy lake. You're rowing slowly, quietly. Suddenly, out of nowhere, another boat bumps into yours. Your teeth spills, your chest tightens. The first thought isn't about the water. It's about the person. Who did this? Why weren't they paying attention? Then, you look inside. And there's no one there. The boat is empty. Just drifting. What happens to the anger? The collision didn't change. The tea is still gone. But the feeling does. Because you can't be angry at a piece of wood. You can only be angry at intentions. Here's the truth. That rude email, an empty boat driven by their stress, not their hatred for you. The driver who cut you off, an empty boat drifting on their own impatience. Your child acting out, an empty boat driven by biology. They're not hitting you, they're just hitting whatever is in their way. And today, that happened to be you. Most of what hits you isn't trying to. The next time you feel that tightness rise, pause. Ask yourself that one quiet question. Was this aimed at me? Or was this just a boat drifting past? You don't have to carry every collision. Some of them were never meant for you. And today, that happened to be you.